In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Pol's future while examining the Polkastarter cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, truly remember that you ought to think about this and any really other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything truly is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Polkastarter, which is genuinely critical. Presently, we should head into it in an unpretentious manner. Before we dive kind of profound into the Polkastarter value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Pol's is a sort of wise venture or not, for what reason will Pol succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Polkastarter value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what Pol's is and its to-date history. Pol's value expectation for the especially next 90 days. Amazingly, the entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin by and large has drooped half from its unequaled in every way that really matters, high in the midst of the more extensive market drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in an unobtrusive manner. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors, or so they essentially thought. Crypto, in every practical sense, is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous certainly play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a sum very green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many explicitly times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We essentially expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture in a by and large significant manner. Essentials that we in a real sense assess fundamentally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative extremely potential, and a few really other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022 in an especially significant manner. Minus 0.20%, $0.4737. October 2, 2022, or so they thought. Minus 0.37%, $0.4729. October 3, 2022 amazingly. Plus 1.16%, $0.4802, which truly is very huge. October 4, 2022. Minus 2.79%, $0.4614. October 5, 2022 in a significant manner. Minus 2.99%, $0.4605. October 6, 2022. Plus 3.26%, $0.4902. October 7, 2022. Minus 1.34%, $0.4683, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Polkastarter value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this basically bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We generally see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 October, or so they thought. Minus 12.03%, $0. 4176, 2022 November minus 31.23%, $0. 3264, 2022 December, which is very huge. Minus 31.05%, $0. 3273, 2023 January minus 25.90%, $0. 3518, 2023 February, which is genuinely huge. minus 22.31% $0. 3688-2023 blemish in an unobtrusive manner. Minus 13.56% $0. 4103-2023 April minus 12.48% $0. 4155-2023 May, which is very huge. Minus 7.51% $0. 4391-2023 June minus 0.47% $0. 4725-2023 July, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Plus 8.36% $0. 5144-2023 August plus 15.24% $0. 5471-2023 September plus 16.40% $0.5526 Polls Value Expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees polls coming to $0.9209 in 2025. What will polls be really worth in 5 years? The cost of polls in 5 years could in every practical sense lie around $0.8454. Polkastarter Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Polkastarter will basically be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Polkastarter coming to $2.30 in 2030. What Polkastarter will be worth in 2040, which fundamentally is very critical. Our estimating model sees Polkastarter coming to $4.60 in 2040. Will Polkastarter supplant, basically outperform, sort of surpass Bitcoin? No, Polkastarter won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Polkastarter at any point explicitly reach $10? Indeed, Polkastarter could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Might Polkastarter at any point reach $1,000, which essentially is very critical. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Polkastarter to generally reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Polkastarter worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly hazardous money management. Contribute the greater part of really your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Polkastarter explicitly is genuinely worth purchasing. Is Polkastarter a wise interest in a kind of significant manner? Polkastarter is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous speculation, in spite of prevalent thinking. It truly